Make sure you subscribe, man. Subscribe to the channel. More stuff, more content, more projects. You see it. Welcome back, YouTube. We back up in here with Project Lex. I got Lex sitting up right now. Got her mounted up, sitting on the car jacks. We about to pull this bumper off. See all the damage over here. All the damage that took place from that little accident I got into. Still don't know what the hell I hit. Look like some giant branch. Messed all my light up. Hopefully the brackets inside are good and the light broke. That's what I'm hoping. Got a fiberglass this back up. Also got to rewrap this because this lip is actually wrapped. I wrapped it. Pull the headlights out. Got to seal the headlights up. I got to do a couple things, man. Clean this bumper off a little bit. Probably polish it a little bit. Cause it's a little easier to polish the areas like this. So I'm about to go ahead and get started over here. I got all the parts right here. Oh, there's some more of that rubber lip. This is the stuff that used to seal up the headlights. It's actually upside down. Lights, all light bulbs, highs, lows, fogs. These are the actual pieces that go right here. See, I have one of my headlight covers missing. So actually these are the pieces that I got in that's supposed to fit in. I think this is the right one. It says right hand, so that's it right there. Boom. I don't know. I got both of them regardless. I got both of them in here, so I put the right one on there and get that fixed. And these are also the fog lights. These are the fog lights I'm gonna put on. Brand new fogs, crystal clear. I think I already replaced the bulbs on these already. So the bulbs are already in them. Just in case I put them on and I was gonna forget. So bulbs are popped in. And I'm about to go ahead and get this junk rolling. Oh, also, I meant to tell y'all this. So if y'all look on my forum on clublexus.com, a long time ago I bought these badges right here because I was gonna rebadge my whole car, and I realized I was like, dang, this badge don't fit in the front hole, and the one on the back, it don't fit the same size. It's smaller. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna leave it alone. I like the way these badges look. It's dirty right now. I like the way these badges look, and I said, you know what? Since now I got this back spoiler that's gonna go on, it's not ready yet. And I'm gonna have to take my back badge off. So since the back badge is kind of big, and this badge is smaller, I'm gonna put this one probably right up under that spoiler on the back side, because see, all of this gotta come off. All of that come off. When that spoiler go on, that spoiler go all right here. So I'm gonna probably put that badge right up under the back on that back spoiler. So I'll end up using that anyway. Make sure you subscribe, man. Subscribe to the channel. More stuff, more content, more projects. You see it. It's the engine bay right here too. Gotta clean it up a little bit. Of course, I got the cover off on this side right now. All it's supposed to be covered up. All beautiful gloss black. You see a couple mods. It's getting closer time to change that belt. It's not cracking yet, but it's a good time to check things out. Also, one thing I noticed, to check these bushings and stuff, the joints, the ball joints, and stuff. So check all of that stuff whenever you're going up under here. Anytime you get your car in the air, man, make it a habit to go. Make sure you check up under your car. Anytime you get up under your car, you're doing one thing, make sure you just look around and get a good idea, good feel of what's going on, what's happening, because not every day you get up under your car. So I'm also noticing some little joints, suspension things I'm gonna change out over time, and I might end up needing some struts at some point. If I gotta go struts, I'm not buying a factory struts, like 1100 a pop, I think, or something like that. I can't remember. I think it was 1100 for two of them I had. Regardless, If I pay $1,100, I'm getting straight coilovers. Y'all already know. So anyway, be back in a second. Okay, this is the lower grill on the car. I originally used that Rust-Oleum black on here, but I'm getting away from the Rust-Oleum black, performance black or whatever. But because I'm finding this to be this truck bed coat to be a real good protection for like black areas in my car that aren't part of my actual paint job, like on this metal right here. I also use it on the brake rotors that I have over here for the rotors on the car. So I'm actually gonna go and touch those outer areas up on both of those rotors. But this right here, I'm gonna do the truck bed coating on it. That way these chips won't be coming back as much because it'll be a lot thicker, stronger paint coat. All black. Still drying a little bit. Look, I got a little bit on my hand. I'm about to get ready to let it dry up, sit up and put it in the sun, then put it on. All right, we got a couple more stages left as far as the Project Lex. I'm still in between the order and the whole new J-Spec front lip, and rewrapping the lip that I have, which takes a lot of labor because I used some cheap wrap. Well, it was cheap wrap too, combined with it being on there like 5 years or so, 4 years or so. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some more parts in, and we'll wrap up. We'll pick up with this with a part 2 of this video. Again, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel.